Most resident physicians feel like their $75K isn't enough to invest, cover expenses, and still enjoy life. But what if I told you that the financial decisions that you make right now while earning less than six figures will determine if you will be a multimillionaire or one of those who struggles to catch up? This is one of the most critical financial decisions that you'll ever make. And the sad truth is that most doctors miss this opportunity completely. When I was a resident physician, I opened up a Roth IRA, but I had no idea what I was doing, and I almost wasted it. And that mistake, it cost me thousands. So today, I am going to save you from making the same mistake and teach you why you need a Roth IRA and exactly how to open it up in less than 10 minutes. The first reason why you need a Roth IRA as a resident physician is because waiting will cost you millions. Most doctors wait too long to start investing because they think that they don't earn enough. But here's the cold, hard truth. The earlier you start, the easier it is to build massive wealth. If you invest just $6,500 during residency and earn a 7% annually, that money could grow to over $300,000 by retirement, even if you never invest another dollar after residency. But if you keep maxing it out as an attending, we're talking millions of tax-free dollars. And I'll prove it. My daughter Brooke has a Roth IRA. She has about $8,000 so far. And even if she never adds another penny, it could grow to over $500,000 by the time that she retires. This is why starting now is absolutely critical. You'll look back in 10 years if you don't and wish that you had. And reason number 2 that you need a Roth IRA as a resident physician is you might never get this chance again. I can't stress this enough that if you don't open a Roth IRA now, you may never be able to contribute directly again. Here's why. If you earn over $153K in 2025 as a single filer or marry filing jointly $228K in 2025, the IRS bans you from contributing directly into a Roth IRA. And trust me, as an attending physician making $300K plus, you'll blow past that limit fast. And at that point, your only option will be the backdoor Roth IRA, which I talk about extensively in this video right here. And the backdoor Roth IRA is a little bit more complicated than you contributing directly to the account. If you assume that you can just start investing later, here's the thing. You'll be in a higher tax bracket. Your money will have less time to grow, and you'll have to navigate these extra steps just to do something that you could have done easily today. So why not lock in your Roth IRA contributions now, while it's simple and 100% legal for you to contribute? And the third reason why you need a Roth IRA today is your taxes will never be lower than they are right now. I see so many doctors getting this wrong. They think they'll just invest later when they're making more money. But here's the brutal reality. Right now, as a resident, you are in a low tax bracket, probably 22% or less. When you become an attending, you'll be in a 33, 35 plus tax bracket or higher if tax laws change. If you wait to start investing until you're an attending, here's the burden of that decision. You'll pay significantly more taxes on the same money, which means less money that actually grows for you. And that's money that you will never get back. Instead, take advantage of your low tax rate right now and pay taxes once and never again. This is an insanely good deal. And most people don't even realize it until it's too late. And honestly, I am one of those people. And the fourth reason why you should have a Roth IRA now as a resident physician is that your Roth IRA can be a secret emergency fund. Now, this one is a game changer, and I guarantee that most people have no idea about this. Did you know that a Roth IRA isn't just a retirement account. It can also be an emergency fund. Unlike a 401k, you can withdraw your contributions anytime, tax and penalty free. But if you assume that the Roth IRA locks up your money, then you would be wrong, because it actually gives you more flexibility than a 401k and even a taxable brokerage account. And if you don't have an emergency fund yet, instead of putting all of your money into savings, especially in a brick and mortar bank that gives you 0.01% interest of the money sitting in that bank account, consider putting some of your money in a Roth IRA, because your contributions are always accessible if you need them. It's like a built-in safety net for your future. And this is one of the ways that you can earn a little bit of interest, put the money into a Roth IRA, maybe not invest it yet, right? Because you don't want to subject all of it to risk, and start to build up your emergency fund. And the fifth reason that you need a Roth IRA as a resident physician is you don't need an employer match. Now, this one might sound a little tricky, but some resident programs don't even offer a 401k match. And if that is you and your residency program, the Roth IRA is hands down the best place to start investing, because you'll get the biggest win of all: tax-free growth. If you assume that the Roth IRA isn't worth it without a match, here's the thing. 401ks grow tax deferred, but Roth IRAs grow tax free. This is huge. Every single dollar that you will withdraw from this account in retirement is 100% yours. You won't have to pay taxes on that money. So instead, open up a Roth IRA and start it, even if it's small, even if it's just $50 a month. And this leads us to, how exactly do you open the Roth IRA? Well, I'm going to teach you how to do this now, so that you never have to question if this is the right decision for you again. And step one is choosing a brokerage account. Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab are the best options. Step two is to open a Roth IRA account online. Literally, it's just filling out a few forms. Step three, linking your bank account and setting up automatic contributions, even if it's just $50 a month to start. Step four is to pick an investment. A simple target date retirement fund like Vanguard's 2065 fund or Fidelity's 2065 fund is perfect. And step five is sit there and let it grow and feel good about the decision that you've made today. And honestly, that's it. You just made one of the smartest financial decisions of your life. A round of applause for you. So if you don't do this, you're leaving millions on the table. And I cannot stress this enough. This is one of the most important financial moves that you'll ever make. You get tax-free growth for life. You lock in today's insanely low tax rates, and you skip the complicated backdoor Roth process. Most doctors don't start investing until their attendings, and they miss out on years of tax-free compounding. But you, my friend, you don't have to, because you've watched this video. So don't wait to open up your Roth IRA today. And if this was helpful, smash that like button and send this to a fellow resident physician who needs the encouragement, the confidence, and a little bit of know-how to open up their Roth IRA. And if you have any questions, then drop them in the comments below, or even an emoji that this video was fired. That helps the algorithm and helps me too. I will ensure that I answer all of your questions. I am here to help. And if you want to know about the 10 best investments to purchase in your Roth IRA, then you definitely want to subscribe, because I'll be talking about that video next. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing this video with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Stay wealthy.